Hi, this is Ravila Ramesh for Pro Media. Today we are going to see how to create thumbnails using canva.com, and we are also going to see in the importance of thumbnails. Let's start our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Let's open Canva. This is Android version. We have also PC version also. This is Android version. Here we can see lot of graphics we can make. This is general graphics, WhatsApp stories. We can make beautiful logos in seconds. We can design business cards, Instagram post, Instagram stories, Facebook post, Facebook covers, social media, lot of social media, photo collage, posters, flyers, and the options are endless. We also have Twitter posts, Twitter headers, blog banners, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel arts, pencil graphics, CD covers, book covers, event posters, social school posters, and the endless option we have. We can design in couple of minutes. Let's start our YouTube thumbnail. There are a lot of free templates, and there are payable templates also. There. This is $1. If you choose this one, this is $1. You have to pay $1. Let's select free one. Can use whatever template we like. This is also free. Let's select this one. If you want any section, there are a lot of sections here. It will break up separately, so you can use it whatever the elements you want. Other elements we can simply delete it. I don't want this picture, so I'm going to delete it. So let's use this one. Now I'm going to paste an image. I need this picture. Let's resize it. If we want, we can change the font. Let's select this font. Tick OK. Color is yellow selected, default. I go with this color. Now we are going to edit the text. Okay. Let's type our text what we want. Let's give some color. I go for red. Green, it's not looking great. Okay. I go with this color. Select bold. Let's add some more text. I'll change some color. Let's bold it. That's it. Just within minutes we have created a YouTube thumbnail, and press download option. Here I'm going to save in my gallery. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to our channel.